This video shows how to scan and copy using the HP DesignJet T830 multifunction printer. First, insert the original document into the feeder to begin scanning or copying. Follow these steps to begin scanning an item. Touch Scan. Choose the destination by sliding left to right. You can scan to network, email, USB, and to your PC. Touch your desired destination. Adjust your scan settings. Choose your desired settings. Touch Back, then enter a file name. Touch Start Scan. The printer scans the document.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
You can create multi-page PDF documents. Touch Add Page. Touch Eject to safely remove the first scanned document or directly insert the next document to continue. Remove the original scanned document. Insert the new document. Follow these steps to copy a document. Touch Copy. Then select the content type of your original document. Touch Lines. Touch Copy. Insert the original document into the scanner to start copying. The printer scans the item. Touch Eject to safely remove the scanned page and start printing the copy. Remove the original scanned document. The copy prints.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.